Hi everyone, I appreciate you stopping in today. I have my Eyescream Beauty Box for July 2024. Let's open her up and see what we have. I think this month we got to choose the palette. There were two different options. This is $25 a month. Shipping is free, no tax, straight $25. You get a palette in every single box. July's theme is in the clouds, and you get a nice little card. It gives you the brand name, a description, and some pricing. And this is how you receive it. Peanuts. I'm going to lean off camera for 1 second. I have a box from a previous video that I'm going to pull these peanuts and throw them in the box, just to make it easier to get these items out of here. I don't need to get rid of all of them, just most of them. Looks like interesting box. So, I think this was the choice. Yes, so we'll save that for last. So we have Medusa's makeup, right? Medusa's limited lip balm by Medusa's makeup, $12. And this says social right there. So let's see. I do have my magnifier so that I can see what I'm actually, sometimes the print is so small, even on these cards, that I can't, I can't read it anymore. Okay. Oops. So this is what it looks like right here. Nice packaging. Oh, that's a pretty bomb. Right there's the shade. We'll give it a swatch. I'm loving balms. They're just so nice in the summer, and they're great to put over a lipstick. And that's, once again, pretty in pink, which I love. So, no complaints. Love me a good pink. Let's put you there. And like I said, that was $12. So next, we're going to have, oh, this is heavy. What are you? No. Is this next? Who are you from? So this is from Palace Identity, Blossom Contour in Warm Gold. Mix the shades with a makeup brush. Add depth and dimension to the face with lightweight buildable coverage. Pressed powder palette that contains 2 matte shades to enhance face shape and skin tone and make contouring virtually effortless. Okay, let's cut the packaging, see if I can get in this. Interesting. I thought maybe this was the palette, but not. I see the palette in the bottom, and I was like, wait a sec, this is not the palette. This is so well packaged. Okay, let's take all this outer packaging off, and this is $42. Never heard of this brand, but beautiful box. Like, that is raised embossing right there. Let's see what this looks like. Looks interesting. Whoa, comes in a little bag. Comes in a bag. Oh, I see a charm hanging off. What's this about? Oh my goodness. Look at this. Look at this. There's a little charm in a bag, which I'll leave wrapped up. Oh my goodness, that is beautiful. Wow. Wow, that's a beautiful flower. Like a lotus flower almost. I don't know if I can get in this. Okay, it opens. Why can't I get in? Is it just a push? I cannot figure out how to get in there. There. Oh. I was opening it the wrong way. So this is really nice. Oh, that whole thing comes out. That's not in there properly. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I'm going to have to swatch this with my finger though. Nice light shade. Yeah, that is pretty light. You can't even really see that. Right here on my hand, it's very light. Not so light now that I look at it, and you don't really lose too much of the, just trying to get that off of the design. Let me see. I mean, a brush probably would be better. So that's beautiful. That is stunning. I would keep this on. I don't know. Is that on that way? Yeah, I would keep that on. So it opens this way. I thought it opened the other way. Magnetic. Beautiful. Wow. I don't want to put that back in the box almost, but I will. Stunning. I would say worth $42, right? Isn't that what it is? Here we have from Ofra Cosmetics in this paper, $29 oil control pressed powder. Oh, sometimes I cannot stand these sticky little bubble wrap mailer things. They're so hard to get into sometimes. I'm just going to cut my way in. Get into them. Like, you know, there's the glue on them is phenomenal. I'm not going to knock the glue. It's like the IPSY bags. You can't even get in them. Okay. Now we're talking. So this is a pressed powder for oil control. It doesn't look like you get much. I mean, I don't have oily skin, but if you do, and that just blends right in. You don't even see it. The white is gone. Huh. That's not bad. Like that, too, from Ofra. I might need $29. That's a lot of money. So this is a mascara from IPSY Global. Volumizing mascara, $12. Let's just open this way. Let's open her up. I might share this just because I have so many full-size tubes. Oh, look at that. I don't want to open this, though. Ooh, that is bougie. That is nice. And that is heavy. Heavy. Nice. Happy for that. Let's get the scissors. And then we have palette. Thank God this slides right off. Moon Slice Beauty Eyeshadow and Pressed Pigment Palette. And I don't remember what the other choice was. There was two choices. I don't remember. I don't recall. I shouldn't say. What are the options? Blue, maybe blues, and yeah, I think blues, and then this one is more pinky purples. I chose this. I'm going to share this. I'm not going to, I wouldn't use either one. So I figured this might be a little bit easier for people because it has some berries and purples. Pretty nice palette. I have not heard of Moon Slice Beauty. Have you? I have no idea. Glenside, California. Yeah. Nice palette, though. I just, you know, I think the other one were blue tones. I don't remember. So we have a nice palette. The Ofra setting powder for oil control. The mascara from IPSY. Medusa's makeup. We have the lip balm. Awesome. And then this great product here from Palace Identity is the company, right? Is that the name of the company? Yeah, $42 for that bronzer. Ooh, contour and bronzer. That is nice. And it really wasn't too bad once it was on. Give a nice little, it didn't dirty up my hand, so I don't think it'll dirty up my face. You got to be careful with some bronzers. They can just look dirty and muddy on your face instead of doing what you want them to do. So that's not, this is not a bad box. Not a fan of the palette, but that's okay. I don't have to be. It was like a toss-up between the palette, and I knew I was going to share it, so it didn't matter to me on that. This makes the box right here for me. Awesome. So that is July in the Clouds for Eyescream Beauty Box. I think the Eyescream Beauty bag just shipped. There was a little bit of a delay on that in charging and then shipping, so I don't know what their issue is there, but hopefully they get it together and bill on the 1st and ship just like this does. So this is Eyescream Beauty Box for July. Let me know what you thought. Do you get Eyescream Beauty, either product? Like I said, I think a pretty good box. Thank you all for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Bye for now.